Merry Christmas!
You are entering Photo Nation.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Photo Nation video. As you know, we're in the holiday season, my favorite time of the year. I just wanted to stop, take the time to thank all of my subscribers for watching my videos and making them such a success in 2023. I also wanted to stop and wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2024. So you be blessed in this upcoming year. And hey, make sure you shoot your shot your way. Later.
Merry Christmas!